Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do something on percents. The first thing I want you to make sure that you have right now is your name on your paper, first and last name. Okay. So the question for this is, why did the coffee taste like mud? For each exercise, circle the best estimate. This is not exact science here, it's an estimate. Write the letter next to your answer in the box containing the exercise number. So for here, it says circle the percent that tells about how much the bar is shaded. When I look at this, about right here would be 50%, because we all know that half is 50%. Okay, so would this be closer to 40% or 15? If this is 50, half of 50 is 25, right? So it's going to be between 25 and 50. So for sure it won't be 15. So for number 1, we're going to see the letter U. So then we go down here, and where it says number 1, we're going to put the letter U, because 40 is the appropriate answer for that one. 15 would be way too small. And what I always do is, like, I always kind of mark where 50% in my mind would be. Okay, so for this, would this be 80% or 60%? Well, if this is 50, it's a little more than 50, so that's going to be 60%. So for number 2, I'm going to put the letter I. For 3, once again, I'm going to put 50. Okay, and then even if I want to put them into fourths, that's pretty easy, right? So this is going to be 38 and 25. Well, clearly this is, even though my line was straight, this is going to be close to 25. So for number 3, you're going to put T. Okay? And I think you guys can get these. Like I said, make a 50% mark, if that helps, or a 25% to help you. Okay? The circle graphs show the results of the student poll. Circle the best. Once again, we're estimating. It's not an exact science for the percent described. About what percent chose rock music? Okay. Here would be half of the circle, right? So then what would be rock music? A little over 50%. Okay. Would it be 75? We know that 75 is 3/4, right? If I put this in fourths, if you see that wouldn't be enough. 55, and that's pretty right? If this is 50, half, it's a little over half. So we're going to put 55. For number 10, we'll put the letter S. Do you see number 10? You guys are always quicker than me. S. Okay. About what percent chose soul music? Here's soul music. Okay. So if you're going to put a straight line here and cut it in half, that'd be a fourth. So it's about half of a fourth. So the only one that would work is 12. Okay. So for number 11, you're going to put the letter W.